The Junior Naturalist program is the different daily events that we have for our kids, ideally ages 5 to 10, but all are welcome. And it is meant to introduce some different plants, animals, different environmental topics so they can begin to explore all of the different natural wonders that we have on Grandfather Mountain.
If y'all are interested in earning a really cool badge like Andrew and I have here, we got some booklets that y'all can work through. But then we have some skulls on the table and we can try to identify them or kind of compare them, so whatever y'all are interested in.
So we have our booklet that prompts them through different interactive activities or some self-paced exploration of what we have inside the Wilson Center for nature discovery, from our flora and fauna to different guided activities out in our animal habitats up to Linville Peak. And so different ways that through a different kind of scavenger hunt style that they can learn and grow and explore everything that we have on Grandfather.
What do you think this one could be? Otter, yeah, very good. So we've got this paw right here. Do we know what this material is in between their toes?
Web?
Yeah, very good, webbing. So what webbing does, it's gonna help them grab a lot more water so you can swim really fast in the water. Because when we're swimming in our pool, right, are we holding our hands up like fans or like cups? Cups, yeah, because we can pull a lot more water, right?
What's so exciting about the Junior Naturalist program is we're really inspiring the next generation of conservationists. They're getting that initial opportunity to build a relationship with some of the different plants and animals that we have on the mountain. So hopefully we're really planting that seed for them to really care and love this place and the local community and really our whole planet.
Hi, my name is Jesse Pope. I'm the President and Executive Director of the Grandfather Mountain Stewardship Foundation. Thank you for watching this video. Click the subscribe button below. And to learn more about Grandfather Mountain, visit grandfather.com, and you can support our mission there to inspire conservation. Thank you.